The wait is finally over, and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a true game-changer in the smartphone industry. This flagship is packed with groundbreaking features and cutting-edge technology, pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. Stick around, because what Samsung might have up its sleeve could surprise even the most seasoned tech enthusiasts. Let's begin with the stunning design. Leaked hands-on visuals reveal that Samsung has refined its iconic boxy look by softening the edges for a more comfortable grip while maintaining its premium aesthetic. The nearly flat display, framed by ultra-thin symmetrical bezels, gives the S25 Ultra a sleek, futuristic vibe. On the back, the quad-camera setup blends seamlessly into the elegant frame, making this device a standout in a sea of flagship smartphones. And the color options? Absolutely breathtaking. From the bold titanium black, blue, gold, and silver to exclusive online shades like jade green and pink gold, Samsung is catering to a wide range of tastes. These colors don't just look beautiful, they represent a global strategy to appeal to diverse audiences. Performance-wise, the Galaxy S25 Ultra takes a leap forward with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This powerhouse processor promises laptop-grade performance capable of handling the most demanding tasks effortlessly. Multitasking, gaming, or content creation, this device does it all without breaking a sweat. The camera setup is equally impressive, headlined by a 200-megapixel primary sensor that captures unparalleled detail even in challenging lighting conditions. Paired with advanced telephoto and ultra-wide lenses, the S25 Ultra elevates smartphone photography to new heights. Whether you're shooting cinematic videos or snapping pro-level photos, this phone is built to deliver excellence. Battery life has also been taken to the next level. Equipped with a robust 5,000 mAh battery, the S25 Ultra supports 45-watt fast charging and 15 watts wireless charging. This means you can power through your busiest days without worrying about running out of juice. And for gamers and binge watchers, the 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display offers vibrant colors, buttery smooth refresh rates, and an immersive viewing experience like no other. It's a visual masterpiece designed to make every interaction a treat for your eyes. Here's where things get even more intriguing. Samsung is rumored to be collaborating with OpenAI to bring advanced AI features to the S25 Ultra. Imagine having ChatGPT seamlessly integrated into your phone, assisting with tasks, boosting productivity, and even personalizing your user experience. If these leaks hold true, this collaboration could set a new benchmark for AI integration in smartphones, making the S25 Ultra a trailblazer in smart technology. And of course, there's the drama. Samsung's decision to completely exclude Exynos chipsets from the S25 series is a bold move in response to past criticisms. By opting exclusively for Snapdragon processors, Samsung is ensuring consistent, powerful performance across all regions, a move that many fans and critics alike have been demanding for years. As for pricing, early leaks suggest a potential increase due to the higher costs associated with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. While this might raise eyebrows, the S25 Ultra's unparalleled features could easily justify the premium price tag, making it a worthy investment for tech enthusiasts. So, does the Galaxy S25 Ultra live up to the hype? From the refined design and powerhouse performance to revolutionary AI features and pro-level cameras, this device has something for everyone. Which feature excites you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our full in-depth review once the S25 Ultra officially launches. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. See you in the next video.